Mom opening a sauerkraut can for dinner. Isn't it fascinating what she can do? Right, Mom?
Yeah.
And she got the other two cans open the same exact way.
Yep, because I don't have the strength or the knowledge or understanding how to use this dumb thing, which is primitive.
Yeah, I used to fight with them things at the daycare. And I lost. Dirty Dancing Song!
Find out more, seriously.
See our dinner?
My
girl. Hey, baby. Oh, no.